Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Business Continuity Planning Workshop. Business continuity planning is essential for ensuring that an organization can continue to operate in the face of adverse events, such as natural disasters, cyberattacks, or system failures. For AWS Certified Cloud Practitioners, understanding how to implement BCP within the context of cloud services is critical. AWS provides various tools and services that can help in developing, implementing, and maintaining an effective business continuity plan. At its core, BCP involves identifying potential risks to the organization and developing strategies to mitigate those risks. This includes risk assessment, business impact analysis, and the development of recovery strategies. The goal is to ensure that critical business functions can be maintained or quickly resumed after a disruption. Risk assessment is the first step in BCP. It involves identifying potential threats and assessing their likelihood and impact on the organization. For cloud-based systems, threats can include data breaches, service outages, and natural disasters. According to a study by Penniman Institute, the average cost of a data breach in the United States is $7.35 million. This underscores the importance of identifying and mitigating risks to prevent significant financial losses. Once potential risks have been identified, the next step is to conduct a business impact analysis. BIA involves identifying critical business functions and determining the impact of a disruption on those functions. This includes assessing the financial, operational, and reputational impacts of a disruption. For example, an e-commerce company may identify its online sales platform as a critical business function. A disruption to this platform could result in lost sales, damage to the company's reputation, and a loss of customer trust. Based on the results of the risk assessment and BIA, recovery strategies can be developed. Recovery strategies involve determining how to maintain or quickly resume critical business functions in the event of a disruption. For cloud-based systems, this may include using AWS services such as Amazon S3 for data backup, Amazon EC2 for scalable computing capacity, and AWS Lambda for serverless computing. These services can help ensure that critical business functions can continue to operate even if there is a disruption to the primary IT infrastructure. One key aspect of BCP is data backup and recovery. AWS provides several services that can help with data backup and recovery, including Amazon S3, Amazon Glacier, and AWS Backup. Amazon S3 is an object storage service that provides scalable storage for data backup. Amazon Glacier is a low-cost storage service designed for data archiving and long-term backup. AWS Backup is a fully managed service that automates and centralizes data backup across AWS services. These services can help ensure that critical data is backed up and can be quickly recovered in the event of a disruption. Another important aspect of BCP is disaster recovery. DR involves having a plan in place to recover IT systems and data in the event of a disaster. AWS provides several services that can help with DR, including Amazon RDS for database backup and recovery, AWS Elastic Beanstalk for application deployment, and AWS CloudFormation for infrastructure as code. These services can help ensure that IT systems and data can be quickly recovered in the event of a disaster. In addition to data backup and disaster recovery, BCP also involves ensuring that critical business functions can continue to operate during a disruption. This may involve using AWS services such as Amazon Route 53 for DNS routing, Amazon CloudFront for content delivery, and Amazon Workspaces for virtual desktops. These services can help ensure that critical business functions can continue to operate even if there is a disruption to the primary IT infrastructure. For example, during the 2011 earthquake and tsunami in Japan, many businesses were disrupted due to power outages and infrastructure damage. However, companies that had implemented BCP and used cloud services were able to continue operating. For instance, Mynavi Corporation, a leading Japanese media company, used AWS to quickly recover their IT systems and continue their business operations. Testing and maintenance are also critical components of BCP. Regular testing ensures that the BCP is effective and that employees are familiar with their roles and responsibilities in the event of a disruption. This may involve conducting regular drills and simulations to test the BCP. Maintenance involves regularly reviewing and updating the BCP to ensure that it remains current and effective. This includes updating the BCP to reflect changes in the organization, such as new business functions, technologies, or risks. According to a survey by Continuity Central, 62% of organizations conduct BCP tests at least once a year. Regular testing and maintenance help ensure that the BCP remains effective and that the organization is prepared to respond to disruptions. In conclusion, business continuity planning is essential for ensuring that an organization can continue to operate in the face of adverse events. For AWS Certified Cloud Practitioners, understanding how to implement BCP within the context of cloud services is critical. This includes conducting risk assessments, business impact analyses, and developing recovery strategies. AWS provides various tools and services such as Amazon S3, Amazon RDS, and AWS CloudFormation that can help with data backup, disaster recovery, and ensuring the continuity of critical business functions. Regular testing and maintenance of the BCP are also essential to ensure its effectiveness. By implementing a comprehensive BCP, organizations can mitigate risks, minimize the impact of disruptions, and ensure the continuity of critical business functions. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.